To solve this equation, what you need to do first is combine like terms on each side of the equation. On the left side, find which terms are alike so you can combine them, and do the same thing on the right side of the equation. Okay, so let's start on the left side. On the left side, 3y is alike with plus y. So 3y plus y, that's going to be 4y. In addition, minus 7 is alike with a plus 35. So combine those two. So negative 7 plus 35, that's going to be equal to positive 28. So I simplify the left side of the equation. Now let's do the same thing on the right side of the equation. 8y is alike with 6y minus 6y. So combine them, 8y minus 6y, that's equal to 2y, and then write the rest of the expression that you have left after combining, which in this case is the plus 30. So I simplify the original equation to 4y plus 28 equal 2y plus 30 by combining like terms on each side of the equation. The next thing I want to do is I want to isolate the variables on the left side. I want variables only on the left side of the equal sign. So to do that, I need to first get rid of the 2y on the right side of the equation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to undo adding 2y. And to undo adding 2y, I need to subtract 2y on the right side of the equation. And whatever you do on one side of the equation, you need to do it in the opposite side of the equation. And now combine like terms on each side again. 4y minus 2y, that's going to be equal to 2y. And include the rest of the expression you have on that side. That was on the left side. On the right side, the 2y minus 2y, that cancels out, that's equal 0. And 0 plus the 30 that you have left, that's equal to 30. So I simplify each side of the equation. The next thing I want to do is I want to isolate the 2y. And to isolate the 2y, I need to get rid of adding 28. And to get rid of adding 28, I'm going to subtract 28 on the left side. And whatever you do on one side of the equation, you need to do it in the opposite side of the equation. Simplify again on each side of the equation. So 28, take away 28. Okay, that's equal to 0, leaving me with 2y on the left side of the equation. And then 30 minus 28, okay, that's equal to 2. Next and last thing, I need to leave the letter y by itself. And right now it's being multiplied by 2. So I need to undo multiplying by 2. And to undo multiplying by 2, I need to divide by 2. And whatever you do on one side of the equation, you're going to do it on the opposite side of the equation. So at the end, I have y equal to 1. And this is how you solve this equation.